Hi guys, I did a little video the other day checking out whether plasticine or blue tack would act as electrolytes between a bit of copper and a piece of magnesium. Quick demonstration: magnesium on the negative, copper on the positive, my fingers between the two of them. So we've got moisture in my skin. So we've got nearly 1.3 volts there. Yeah, 1.3. Okay, so that's just using my skin, which will have some moisture on it. Plasticine is oil-based. So effectively nothing coming through it. Blue tack is similar. And Jack Allen Walters, I think that was the right name. Sorry, Jack, if I got it wrong. Wondered what would happen if we put some salt and mixed it into the plasticine. Trouble is, if I mix it in, I'm probably going to be putting some moisture in from my fingers. So I don't know whether that's going to be a true result. But we'll give it a go just for the sake of it. Just as a little test, just dry salt on its own. Still doing nothing because there's no water in there to help the electrons to float around. So I can't see how this can work unless we get some moisture mixed in while I'm doing this. It would be the same as pouring it into oil. Make sure I'm not actually holding it while we're doing it. As soon as I touch, it's flowing through my fingers instead, but it's not doing anything there except making the plasticine a bit sorry. So doing this, I'm just worried that I may be putting moisture in there from my fingers or just from the atmosphere, although it's I don't think it's very humid in here. I've sort of mixed it in so you can't actually tell it's in there now. There's no crystals visible. That one there. Nah, we're really not doing anything, are we? I'll mix it a bit more with my fingers. I would say no. Touch that with my fingers and we have a current flowing through my skin. Let go. So I think that answers the question. The answer to the question is no. That's a bit of blue tack. No. Bit of water. (1.6 volts). Try and get some water into the plasticine. Which it really doesn't want to do because it's oily. So the water's making little globules in there. We ought to put that somewhere where it's not directly in the water. Still nothing. I've got my fingers on it, obviously. Let go of it. Nope. I'm getting very close there. And I think, yeah, we're close enough there just for the water that we've put in there is conducting it. And that's falling apart. If I put them very close together, I think that's just the water on the surface conducting it. Same way that putting it in the water there allows the current to flow. So yeah, the answer is no. Putting salt in the plasticine made no difference, other than making it feel gritty, and adding a bit of water didn't really help either. Right, I shall tidy up. End of experiment. Thanks for the question, Jack. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.